Welcome back to the garage. Got a 2013 Honda Fit in here for an oil change. You're gonna need 4 quarts of 0W20 engine oil, filter. This one's a Angst or Yangst, however you say it, H97W05. Little baby oil filter. And also, don't forget, get a drain plug gasket. These are pretty simple to do. They don't take much in the way of oil. It's 3.8 quarts, so 4 quart. This bigger containers happen to be, at the time, a better value than buying 4 individual quarts. Kind of give you an overview of the underside of the hood here. Washer fluid over here, your rad, your radiator cap, your overflow bottle, oil fill cap, your dipstick, that's a battery air filter. For oil change, the simple oil fill cap. I just stick it right here in the hood latch, keeps the hood from closing, and it kind of sits out front. It kind of allows you to go, hey, put oil in it, dummy. I should pull the dipstick out a little bit, and time to go underneath, drain the oil. Not gonna need much to do this. Just need a little pick tool, get drain plug gasket off, ratchet, wrench, with a 17mm socket, and a either oil filter wrench, or this one's a little spring-loaded oil filter removal. It's pretty easy. Catch can, light, so way to safety underneath the vehicle. I'll try to show you the best I can. It's a little tight underneath here for me and you. So. Meet me on the bottom side of the engine. This is engine oil. With a little arrow. Focus. Right back here. Drain plug. Engine oil filter sitting right up there. So let's see if I can get you guys in a viewing area or not. And we get going on this. You're gonna want to make sure your socket or wrench is on there. Crack it loose. Be sure to put your drain pan underneath so you don't make a giant mess all over everything. And loosen the drain plug. Let me get that drained and I'll be right back. While it's draining, I'm gonna take the crusher off. This one, pretty easy. I change it every time, but sometimes they can get pretty stuck on there. Move it. Take your new one. Put it on there. Get it all ready to go for when it's done draining. It's just about done draping. Take the drain plug with a new gasket. Thread it in. And then snug it down. You want to make sure it's nice and tight. I don't know what the official torque spec is offhand, but what you don't want to do is over tighten it. It's aluminum. The threads could easily strip out. Then you have to try to helicoil it, or time start it, or you would have to replace the pan. And yeah, it does not look fun on this. So tighten that up, then we'll get to the filter. You're going to put your filter wrench on there, or this tool. Just gonna crack it loose. And once you got it cracked loose, you should be able just to go up there by hand and remove it. Let me get it removed, and I'll be right back. Something you want to do is make sure the old gasket came off with the filter. You don't want to double gasket it. It can cause one heck of a leak. So check your new filter. Start screwing it down. You don't need to go caveman on it. It's gonna go snug. And that's all you gotta do. Take some brake cleaner, clean up your mess from filter, drain plug, and you go up top, start putting your oil in. And once you get done, drain your oil, change the filter, refill it. So this thing's about 4 quarts of oil. So bigger jugs, kind of keep an eye. Go a little at a time. There's no rush. Hardest part is just getting this funnel in here. It's a little on the tight side. You want to use a decent quality oil. This is Napa brand, but it's a Valvoline product. Last I checked. I've used it before, good success. The nice thing about these cars, if you do get these larger containers, basically every 4th oil change you really don't need engine oil. You get enough left over, or every 5th, I guess, would be. So just kind of keep an eye on things. Check your levels, you don't want to overfill it. Pretty much on the spot there. Do take your dipstick out, wipe it off, and check your level. See, just a hair above the full mark. By the time you start it, fill the filter, it'll bring it back down to normal. Here's your 2 marks, low mark, high mark. So should be good. Pull your funnel out. Put your oil cap back in. And start up. Check your level. While you're here, good time to top off your fluids. Here you set your oil life. Put your key in. Turn to the on position. Do not start it. You want to push your trip reset or toggle button here. You would push it to reach your oil life. Once you're at your oil life, push and hold. To push and hold until it flashes. It could take a couple seconds to start flashing. It starts flashing, release, then push the button again. And once it reaches 100, release the button, shut your vehicle off, you're good to go. That's how you reset your engine oil life.